Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from Threadbeast. Now, this is my newest box, you feel me? It just touched down. You know, I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's inside together, and you know I gotta put it on. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back. Now right here I do have my box. I got the box right here, man. I got my trusty box cutter, man. So you already know the vibes, man. We're gonna go ahead and peel back, gang. You know the vibe. We're gonna slice it down the middle, then we're gonna go ahead and peel it back. Now let's see. It's like Christmas every time you get the box, man. So here we go. We're gonna start off. We do have two Threadbeast stickers right here. Very nice. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, so first right here we do have a pair of boxers. Now these are the PSD joints. You feel me? Very nice. These are those very comfortable, breathable boxers. I do have a couple pair, but I don't have this design, so that's good. The retail on these is 25 bucks, man. So you already know the vibes. We got a nice pair of boxer briefs right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open them up just so we can see what they look like. Let's go ahead and let me see. They still got the hook on them. There we go. All right, let's go ahead open this joint. There we go. All right, yes, because I don't have this this design, so let's go ahead and open these joints up. Oh yeah, I can dig it, man. And it does say tripping on the front. Kind of has that basketball short type design. So oh yeah, definitely a nice colorful pair of boxers that I will be rocking. And next in the box, let's see. Next in the box we do have a shirt. Now this shirt is from Weather Report. Let's go ahead and open it up. Boom. We got the black tee. Let's see what it says. Unplug, log out, step back, disconnect, and sign off. Okay, so these are all of the different sayings, you feel me? This is for like your mental health. You know, you can't always be plugged in, you feel me, to social media and all that other stuff. Sometimes you gotta take some time to, you know, just be by yourself, you feel me? Not no outside influences and nothing like that. So very nice shirt. In the back we also, it says recharge, breathe, meditate, refresh, and rest. I mean, come on, man. These are some good things. This is some good things to live by, you feel me? You can't really go wrong like that. And it's a black t-shirt with white, so you know you could bust this with like the panda dunks or whatever. So you already know I'm gonna be putting this on. And right here I do have the shirt on. I went ahead, threw it on with those gray Nike woven shorts. I mean, the shirt looks good. Like I said, it has some good sayings on it. Put on those panda dunks, you feel me? You can't go wrong with the black and white. We got the Nike crew socks on. You know, we got to throw it on with a little fitted, so I went ahead with the Florida Marlins fitted. We got that, a World Series side patch on that joint. And a very clean shirt, you feel me? You can wear this anytime. This is one of those ones you could just put on and you will feel very comfortable in it. And next we have, let's see. Ooh, okay. We have that button down right here. We have the white joint. Now, you know what time it is, man. It's already spring. It's finna touch summer. So, you know the all-white parties are going to be popping. You feel me? So, very nice all-white button down. This is from Banks Journal. It has kind of like a pleated design on here. And so, I'm gonna have to save this for the all-white party. I already have some white shorts and some white jeans. So, I'm not sure what I'm gonna rock it with. But I'm gonna definitely put this on and let you see what this looks like on body. And right here I do have this shirt on, you feel me? Shirt looks good. Went ahead and threw it on with the white shorts. Really giving that all white party type of a vibe. You know, that Miami, that Puff Daddy, you know, party in the Hamptons type of a vibe. Went ahead, threw it on with the white shoes. Got the white Gucci's on, the low tops. You know, the socks that are very low so you can't see them. Also went and matched that up with the gold Versace glasses, because you got to have some accessories when you throw on that all white. Gold watch, gold glasses, and I think it's a good look. And next, let's see, we have, oh, they done it. Right here, we do have a Varsity jacket. Varsity jacket from, let's see, from Undefeated. Now, this is that prize. This is the one, you know, every box you have that one piece that's like your favorite piece. This is it right here. We have the Varsity jacket from Undefeated. This right here is like 100 by itself, you feel me? Nice patch. We got the dog with the little army hat joint right here. And I just copped a couple pair of Undefeated Air Force Ones. So, oh yeah, I might rock those with this. I gotta see first, you know. But we have a little bit of that gray silver stitching right here. On the side, we do have the numbers. What's this say? 0213. So we got the nice little Varsity numbers right there on the side. But yeah, very nice. I can't wait to put this joint on. And last but definitely not least, we do have, looks like we got, oh yes, we have some, it looks like cargos. Oh yeah, can't go wrong with the cargos, man. We got the cargos from, let's see, from PacSun. We got the cargos from PacSun, all black, you feel me? Very nice. You already know the vibes. You can't go wrong with the cargos. It does have a drawstring, like a toggle string at the end, so if you want to tighten it up, you can definitely do that, or you can leave it open. But yeah, we got pockets, and these actually have, let's see, we got the cargo pockets on both sides. Yep, cargo pockets on both sides. We also have the squared off pockets right here in the front. Let's see, and on the inside, hold on. Oh, so the inside, these are actually, it has a double pocket. So there's one pocket here, then there's a deeper pocket, a mesh pocket as well. These are from PacSun. This is a slim cargo, and this is a large. Now, I am 6 feet, 175 pounds, just so you can get my size, and that's on everything. Let me just, yeah, let me double check the jacket. I didn't look at the size on the jacket. The jacket is a medium, and so that is my preferred size, and it is medium. So I'll definitely see what these look like on, and if they are a little big, because this is a large, they do have the drawstring, so I'll let you know once I put these on how the fit is on these. But yeah, definitely another great box. Now, you already know I love when I can get a full outfit out of a box, and I was able to get that here. We have the Undefeated jacket on. The jacket definitely looks good. It has that green with a little bit of black, so you know how to throw it on with the black cargos, and you can never go wrong with black cargos. Very versatile. You can rock them with pretty much anything. You get those big pockets, and at the bottom of these cargos, actually, there's a little toggle. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the toggle on these. So the way I had it, it was over the shoe, but you can also have them so they're toggled and it'll sit up above the shoe if you want to kind of show the shoe off or anything like that. But I definitely prefer to have mine over the shoe, kind of cover it up right there. But this is definitely a super clean outfit right here. Went ahead, threw the Louis shades on, just kind of, you know, didn't necessarily want to throw a hat on with this, so I threw the shades on. And I mean, definitely a good look. Remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.